Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and this is your 10-minute gentle, slow flow. Whether you're a beginner or your body is just craving a more gentler movement on your mat today, this is the perfect flow for you. You can practice this 10-minute flow by itself or combine it with any of my other flow videos. If you're ready for some gentle, relaxing movement for your body, come flow with me. Meet me on your mat in an easy seated posture. You can take any seat that feels comfortable to you. Take a moment here just to shift your hips side to side and find your sit bones firmly on your mat. As you ground your sit bones into the ground, lift the crown of your head up towards the sky. This will create length in your spine. Bringing your palms onto your knees, close your eyes, and just begin to breathe. Breathing in and out, allowing your breath to be wherever it is. Take this time just to turn inward, to really become present on your mat. Allow everything else to melt away. Bring one palm to your heart and one palm to your belly. Now, as you continue to breathe here, just notice the sensation in your body. Feel the rise and fall of your belly and your chest as you breathe in and out. In fact, allow your belly and your chest to expand as much as you can as you breathe in. As you breathe out, hug the belly button up and in. Breathe in. As you breathe out, let out all of that stagnant air, creating space for fresh, new breath. Gently open your eyes. As you inhale, take your arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring your palms to heart center. Inhale your palms up overhead. Exhale, palms to heart center. Take a couple more rounds following your own breath. Just connecting your breath and movement. One more time, inhale the arms up. Exhale the palms to heart center. Now just resting your palms by your sides. Inhale and shrug your shoulders all the way up to your ears. As you exhale, roll your shoulders down, back, and away from your ears. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back and down. This time, we'll roll the shoulders forward. Just taking a couple of rounds here. On your next inhale, send the palms up overhead. As you exhale, twist to your right, bringing your right palm behind you. The left palm can rest on your right knee or thigh. As you twist here, lift the crown of your head up towards the sky, just like we did in the beginning. This will allow you to deepen your twist just a little bit with each exhale. Inhale, bring your body back to center. As you exhale, twist to the opposite side. Right palm can rest on your left knee or thigh. The left fingertips or palm can rest on the ground behind you. Remember, the closer your palm is to your backside, the greater lift you can have in your spine. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale, twist to your right. One breath per movement. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to your right once more. Inhale back to center. Exhale, opposite side. This time as you inhale, bring your palms back to center. And as you exhale, fold forward. Allow your palms to rest wherever they land. And just breathe in and out here. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth and sigh it away. One more deep breath in. Open your mouth and let it all go. Maybe even open and close your mouth a few times here, just releasing any tension from your jaw. Maybe even sticking your tongue out. On your next exhale, roll over onto your hands and knees and make your way towards the top of your mat. Just breathing here, maybe shifting your hips side to side, forward and back. As you exhale, tuck your toes under, shift your hips up and back. Pedaling out your feet here in your downward facing dog. As you inhale, look forward, shift forward, coming onto your knees for your modified plank pose. Hug your belly button up and in. As you exhale, release your body to the ground. Bringing your palms underneath your shoulders. Inhale, lift just your chest off the floor. As you exhale, sink back to your child's pose. You can take your knees as wide as your mat here. Allow your forehead just to rest on the ground. A couple more breaths here in your child's pose. As you inhale, look forward and shift back up into your tabletop, bringing your wrists right underneath your elbows, right underneath your shoulders, knees right underneath your hips. As you inhale, drop your belly low and lift your chest for your cow pose. As you exhale, arch your back, tuck your tailbone under for your cat pose. Inhale, lift up into your cow pose. Exhale for your cat back. Look in between your thighs. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, tuck it in. On your next inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, tuck your toes under, bring yourself into your downward facing dog. Letting your hips and tailbone go high, pressing your heels towards the mat, knowing that they never have to touch the mat. As you inhale, bend your knees and begin to walk forward as you exhale, bringing your hands and feet close together. Again, you can still keep that bend in your knees here. Grab onto opposite elbows. And just allow your body to hang heavy here. Maybe shifting side to side. Nod your head yes, nod your head no. Bend one knee and then the other. And as you exhale, release your palms to the mat. Step back into your modified plank, knees down. Exhale, shift back into your child's pose once more. Inhale your way back up to your tabletop. And this time, as you inhale, bring your right arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, thread it underneath your left armpit. Bring your right shoulder and cheek towards the mat. You can keep your palm wherever it is, or you can slide your fingertips forward on your left hand if you'd like. Pressing into your right palm underneath your right shoulder, release the left arm. Inhale the right arm high. Exhale the right palm down. Inhale the left palm high. Exhale, slide the left arm underneath the right side of your body. Left shoulder and cheek come down to your mat. Again, the palm can stay wherever it is, or you can reach the right fingertips forward. Exhale, pressing into the right palm. Inhale the left arm high. Exhale, place the left palm down. Walking your palms forward, lower down onto your belly. Stay here in your belly Shavasana as long as you'd like. You can even bring your palms forward and stack them and rest your forehead on top of your palms. I hope that's just what you needed today on your mat. If you found this video helpful and relaxing, please be sure to share it with your loved ones. It always means a lot to me if you take a second to click the thumbs up button down below and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any new videos. Let me know in the comments below which other styles of yoga videos you'd like to see. As always, everything I'm wearing, the mat I'm practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.